Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of Azure Vision services. In this session we are going to extract the text from the image using Azure Vision services. In our previous session we saw how to analyze an image and getting the tag. If you missed this session, I will give the link on I button, you can check it out. We already created one Vision services in our Azure portal. In using this key, I'm going to extract the text from the image. So I have my image. Here I have some image, right? Or these are the thumbnail I created from my image. Okay, I'm going to upload this image in my Blazor Server application. I already created this application, and previous session I saw how to analyze image, and in this session I'm going to show how to extract the text data, image to text. Okay, now let's stop the application. So this is my Azure Vision analyzing image, and this is my Azure component for extracting the text. I need same namespaces. Here I am going to use this one, same namespaces, and I am going to need also the converting image to byte array. I'm going to upload this source code into Google Drive, and I'm going to give the link so you can download the source code and check it out. So here I'm going to keep my subscription key, endpoint, and URI base. In case of analyzing the vision, we are giving analyze, and to extracting the text we are giving OCR. Okay. Next is to declare the HTTP client and call the vision app. So inside this try catch block, inside the try block, I'm going to write creating a HTTP client object, adding the OCM subscription key. Next, what kind of language it will detect, and detection orientation. Okay, so here I'm calling this method to getting the image file to a byte array. Next, I'm calling the API using a post method. This URI is our URI base with the request parameter. Let's keep a debug point here, and let's see how it is working or not, and what are the data we are getting. So run the application. So our application get run. Go to image to text, choose file. So I'm giving my form recognizer in this thumbnail. Click on open. Wait for few seconds. We will return to this debug point. So let's see. Okay, let's see in the content stream what it is getting. So this is my JSON visualizer. So you can see what are the words are there. Azure form recognizer. So it is coming like this. We will convert this JSON to a string format. So let's take this JSON string, text visualizer, copy, go to browser, open C# to JSON to C#. So here my yes, we got our C# class. Control A, Control C, copy paste this complete code. Stop the application. Inside our data folder, I'm adding one more model, which is OCR model. So you can see, okay, I think I already added here. Let's see in the root vision. Yes. Okay, I have already added. Let's remove from here. Right. So root is already there. So I'm keeping it root OCR. Just copy this class name. Go to our Azure container. Right. So we binded our JSON string into our generic model. Next, I'm going to keeping a loop and get the data into this image value. This is a string. So let's run again and see how it is working. Image to text. So let's select the image here. Click on open. So you can see Azure form recognition pre-built invoice. Right. So let's go to some other image. Okay. This is my image. I have a beautiful quote here. Okay. Select this image, work hard in silence, let success make the noise. So you can see this is my file path actually, and this is the exact text I am extracting from the image using Azure Vision services. Guys, to creating a video, it takes lots of effort. If you like my video, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.